This is excellent exterior search for York County Dog Training Club, Saturday, May 11th. This was somewhat of an asymmetric search area. These blue dots were our start line. This part of the mulch and vegetation was in play, and then we had a diagonal line that went all the way to the end of this building. The wall here was in play, and then it went all the way out to where the grass meets the asphalt and down to the end of the sidewalk. The steps that go down were out of play, as was the railing and the concrete where the railing is attached. We also had this area here with the grate that was out of play, and there was another area further down that also had a grate that was out of play. There was a threshold hide tucked behind this hinge. This was more challenging depending on the wind. We had wind blowing into the building. Dogs worked this really nicely all around here. We did have some swirling. Dogs got yeses anywhere in this space. A couple of dogs did go up the electrical pipe and also tried to go down the stairs, catching it as they went past and then turning around to come in. The second hide was located on these steps going up. The first 5 steps were in play. This hide was tucked in right under here. This board is loose, and so if the dogs were alerting underneath, they also got a yes. And then this was all part of our search area. Yellow dots were the boundaries, and all the way at the end of the search area, tucked right inside the dirt, we had a hide flush with the ground. Overall, the dogs did a really nice job. The challenges here were letting the dogs get all the way out at the very end of the search area, letting the dogs work the threshold hide, and letting them work down the railing to get back in. All the hides were found by some of the dogs. We did have several awesome qualifiers. Great job to everyone.